In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell courses in Gohighlevel. We'll walk through the course setup process inside Gohighlevel so you can create an offer that's ready to be sold directly through the platform. This is a straightforward setup, but it helps to move carefully so your course details and pricing are clear from the start. First, go to Gohighlevel and make sure you're inside the correct account or location where you want the course to live. Once you're in the dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll find the main navigation menu for the tools you need. From that left side menu, click on Memberships. This section is where Gohighlevel lets you manage educational content, member access, and digital products. After that, click on Courses to open the course area. Once you're on the courses page, click Create Course. This will open the course creator where you'll enter the core details for the product you want to sell. Start by adding your course title. Make this specific and easy to understand since this is one of the first things potential buyers will see. Then add your course description. This is your chance to explain what the course is about and what the student can expect to learn, so keep it clear and benefit focused. Next, click Upload Thumbnail and choose a thumbnail image for your course. Upload the thumbnail you want to use. A clean, professional image helps your course look more polished and can make a big difference in how attractive the offer appears inside your catalog or sales pages. After that, move to the pricing section. Here, you'll add your pricing information so the course can actually be sold. Begin by adding a pricing plan. This determines how the offer is structured for buyers. Then choose the billing period, for example. This is where you define whether the price is a one-time payment or follows a recurring schedule, depending on the options available in your setup. After selecting the billing period, enter the price you want to charge. You'll also see an option for price text override. This is useful if you want the displayed pricing text to appear in a more customized way for your audience. If needed, enter the text you want shown there so the offer appears exactly the way you want on the front end. Once all of that is filled out, review your details to make sure the title, description, thumbnail, and pricing are all correct. When everything looks good, click Create Course, and that's it. Your course is now set up in Gohighlevel with pricing attached, which is the foundation for selling it. From here, you can continue building out the course experience and getting it ready for your students.